Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by working on a small test patch so you know how the wall reacts. This prevents surprise damage. Apply 10-30 seconds of heat or solvent to a corner and observe paint lift or swelling. Once done, decide between heat or solvent based on that test. Make sure to protect adjacent surfaces with cloth and tape and keep tools close. You want controlled actions. This reduces the need for later sanding or repainting. You soften the glue to avoid tearing paint. Heat relaxes the adhesive bonds while solvents dissolve them. Hold a hair dryer 6-12 inches away or use a heat gun on low, moving constantly to prevent blistering. Then dab rubbing alcohol or citrus remover and let it sit 30-60 seconds so the glue loosens. Make sure to scrape at a shallow 30 degrees angle, lifting slowly. Repeat heat plus scrape cycles. You finish by stripping residue and restoring the surface. Wash with warm soapy water to remove oily adhesive, then wipe with alcohol to evaporate moisture. This prevents future lifting. Inspect for nicks. Sand tiny rough spots with 220 grit and apply spackle to any gouges, then prime before repainting. If paint peels during removal, stop and patch rather than forcing more glue off. This prevents larger repairs and saves time in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.